Hi, I'm Patty Donham for the Wizard Attachments Company, and I have something for you today that's called the Elastic Wizard. It is a no-hand sewing attachment, and you will never have to do elastic like this again. First, let me show you what you get in the kit. A snap-on foot, 6 elastic guides from 1/8 inch all the way to 1 inch. And of course you receive your No Hands Elastic Wizard instruction booklet. Now let me show you just how easy it is to use. I'm just going to place my presser foot right underneath the little place where it goes, drop it in, and it's ready to go. Now I've of course threaded my sewing machine, and I'm going to go over here and show you just how to use the guide. I've selected the 1/2 inch guide, and you can see there's a little slot there for me to place my elastic into. I'm just going to thread it right through there. See how easy that is? And then I have this little knob to screw either tighter or looser, and I want to make it just a little bit snug so that it will gather as I sew. So just keep tightening that. Now I'm ready to place it into the machine. I'm just going to lay it right underneath the presser foot, just like this. Slip it over the front, and that's it. Let me show you my project now. I'm going to just place the fabric right under the elastic and center it, just like this. Drop the presser foot, and I'm ready to stitch. It's literally no hands. Isn't that amazing? I can just keep going and going and going. While I'm doing this, I'm going to show you a few more of my projects that I've done. How easy it is to use the No Hands Elastic Wizard.